Hello students, a very good morning to you. Hope you are all good. In last week's video, we have done new chapter number 2 spreadsheet. Let us continue with the same chapter. That day we have done about the introduction about spreadsheet, how to open or start MS Excel 2010, advantages, their need and how to enter data. And today's topic we will complete switching between worksheets, renaming a worksheet, coloring a worksheet tab, adding a worksheet, selecting a worksheet, deleting a worksheet, moving and copying a worksheet. So listen and watch the video carefully. Let us start with our next topic, that is switching between the worksheets. For that, let us first of all open the Excel. Students, I already told you that Excel workbook contains sheets which are known as worksheets, and one single worksheet you can have many columns and many rows. You can have 16,384 columns and 10,48,576 rows. And if you want to scroll to the end of the large worksheet, you have to use the tab key or the arrow keys. So students, this is a very time consuming task. Now next is we have to switching among the worksheets. Okay, we can switch to the another worksheet by just clicking on the worksheet tab. Look at the screen carefully. Here I have only one sheet, sheet 1. If I am going to add one more sheet, sheet 2, and one more sheet, sheet 3, I am currently at sheet number 3. But if I want to go to sheet number 1, I just click on sheet number 1 and I will go to sheet 1. If I want to go to sheet number 2, I will go to sheet number 2. So this is the way to move among the different sheets or to switch among the different sheets. Next step is renaming a worksheet. If we want to change the name of the worksheet, like here we have the name of the first worksheet as sheet 1, name of the second worksheet as sheet 2, and name of the third worksheet as sheet 3. If we want to rename the sheet 1, what we will do? We just click and hold that sheet, then click on the rename and then start writing the name of the worksheet. Suppose we want to write here the name of the sheet as class 8. So when we click anywhere on the screen, the sheet name will be changed from sheet 1 to class 8. Again, look at the same. Once again, if I want to change the name of the sheet 2 as, suppose, just click on it, click and hold on it, then option rename will be there, then type the new name. Suppose we want to give the name, second name to the sheet as formula. So I typed here formula. So after typing here, then click anywhere, your name will be changed to formula. Sheet 1 and 2 class 8, sheet 2 to formula. This is known as renaming a worksheet. Next is coloring a worksheet tab. Here you know that currently the color of the worksheet tab is white or grey. So if I want to change the color of the tab, I just hold that particular tab and then click on the color option. Whatever the color you want, you can click that color. Suppose I want peach color, so I just click on that. You see that the color of the tab is changed to peach. Earlier it was black and black outlining. Now its color changes to peach. Now see, if I want to change the color of this tab, just click over here, then I will click on the color option and then choose the any color. Like here I have chosen blue color, so the color of this tab changed to blue color. So this was about coloring a worksheet tab. Next is adding a worksheet. That I have already told you. Just click on this plus symbol. You are able to add as many sheets as you want. Sheet 4, sheet 5, as many sheets as you want. And if you want to move among these sheets, just click on the scroll bar. By using scroll bar option, you can move among the sheets in the computer screen. So this was about adding a worksheet. Now suppose that I want to delete sheet number 4. What should I do? I just click and hold that tab and the option will be delete appears. Then click on the delete button. It will ask, are you sure you want to delete? Then click on the delete button and your particular tab will be deleted. Once again, look at the screen carefully. If I want to delete some particular worksheet, what should I do? I just hold that particular sheet tab. The option delete will appear. Then click on delete option. Then it will ask us, do you really want to delete? Then click on the delete button. Then the particular sheet will be deleted. Next is moving and copying a worksheet. Suppose that I want to move that particular worksheet, like class 8 I want to move in place of formula and formula in place of 8. So what shall I do? Just hold that this, then click on the move. Where I want to move? I want to move before sheet 5. So just click on sheet 5. Your class will be moved from its position to the another position. Look at the screen carefully. Suppose I want sheet 5 in the place of formula. So what I will do, that I just click over that and then click on the move button, and then where I want it, before formula, so I just click over formula and sheet will appear at the first place. So this is the way to move the sheets. So again, see, I want to make a copy of a particular sheet. So what I will do, just click on that particular sheet which we want to create a copy and then click on the duplicate. Okay, you can have two options. You can either have the option of duplicate or you can have the option of copy. Choose any of the option which is available in that particular Microsoft. So in this way we are able to create the duplicate copy of that particular worksheet. Now see, the formulas worksheet having two copies, formula and the other name is formula 2. Automatically the name will be given formula 2 by the computer. So this is how you can switch among the different worksheets, renaming them, moving them, copying them. So today we have done first of all switching between the worksheet, renaming a worksheet, coloring a worksheet, selecting, deleting a worksheet, moving and copying a worksheet. So listen to some of the key points carefully. You can use your mouse to move a worksheet, or you can even use your fingers to move the worksheet if your screen is of touch type. Another thing is, move your mouse pointer over the worksheet tab you want to move. Click and drag that worksheet tab left or right to the new position. As you drag, an arrow shows the position of the worksheet. When you have the worksheet position where you want it, drop the worksheet tab. Excel moves the worksheet, which I had already shown you. This was about the today's topic. And students, your homework is to read the particular topics from page number 14 to page number 17 we have done today. So read these pages carefully. Thank you very much.